welcome to this wonderful video. Anyway, everybody knows the Blackmagic 6K have the flat screen. You cannot flip, move, rotate. So I found out on Amazon this little mirror you can attach underneath the Blackmagic on the cage using this horseshoe attachment. And this mirror comes with a horseshoe too, so you can attach here. Alright, and now you have your mirror, so you can adjust the mirror, and I can see, of course, the image is upside down. Maybe the mirror also has some kind of distortion, but it can work. Let's do a test. Of course, it's upside down, the image, so it's just to give you the look of the video. It seems it's working. Okay, so this is my workaround DIY option for the problem with the Blackmagic 6K screen. You can buy it on Amazon this for $30. They sell for people that wanted to do a video with an iPhone, for example, using this camera. So they attach this to the tripod and they can view the screen here on the back. But I saw it and I said, oh, let's try this for the Blackmagic. Alright. I will put the link in the description. You can check it. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.